choices I don't think they care about. Is there a reason for where I am now?
How would you take care of our biodiversity? You.
Start changing yourself. So now, let's take some practical steps on how to protect and nurture our biodiversity.
Do ba 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 do boo do a boo ba do boo boo ba do.
2 hours later.
Oh no! Rian o Fake? Fake! Oh no! Rian! It's really happening in our biodiversity right now. Did you know that 18 billion trees has been cut down every year? So, who is affected about that? So animals, they lost their food and habitat. The only source of food has been cut down, so it's very bad. And also it can cause flooding, soil erosion, and landscape. And also, if we experience this kind of activity, we should start working on it because our mother nature should be saved, so that we should be reinforcing a strong law about what's happening today, and also plant a tree. If you cut down a tree, you should plant a tree, right? Right. So now let's proceed to our next video clip and have a discussion about it. Oh no! Real or fake? Fake! No! Real! Did you know that garbages often contains toxic chemicals, plastics, and other materials that can leach into soil and water? This may impact and pollution. And with that, it affects the microorganism and their health and the survival of anything species, especially humans and animals. So, kailangan pag magtapon tayo ng basura, hindi dapat kung saan-saan lamang. Magtapon tayo ng basura sa tamang lalagyan. Kasi ito ay para makatulong na mapamalagaan ang ating biodiversity. For our third video clip, let us watch and have a discussion about it. Is also known as dusting fishing. It has a devastating damage impact in our marine ecosystem. So dynamite fishing can cause damage to coral reef and can kill fishes. To protect our biodiversity, we need to spread awareness to our fishermen and regulate laws to educate also the fishermen that uses dynamite fishing and using small nets to catch small fishes. And also we need to educate them on what would be the possible impact of this to our biodiversity. That's right. So there are a lot of steps on how we are going to protect and nurture our mother nature or our biodiversity.
A friendly reminder to all of
you, and you start changing yourself. So that's
all for today's video, and we hope that you learned something about